Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay Khaneska and today we will understand a lot of information related to arena animation, prospects in media entertainment, mentorship program with Rahul Dravid, and few other aspects. First and foremost, let us have a journey on our website. This is our story. This is mentorship program with Rahul. These are about various courses in animation, visual effects, gaming, AR, VR. Then you have web and graphics. You have how to locate a center. Then we can understand how students can benefit from loans, our industry alliances, and then we go to how the events and industry connects benefit and what are the placements and recognitions to our students. So let me begin with one aspect, which is our story, that how Arena began.
Hi, I'm glad you want to hear the story of Arena Animation. The story of Arena Animation in India draws a striking similarity with the overall media and entertainment industry. Today, at Arena Animation, we are present across the length and the breadth of country with a huge footprint of centers from north to south and east to west. Our powerful presence in the industry helps us to bring to you the latest tools and techniques to study from. And of course, we have one of the best faculties available in India today, and these faculties help to mentor all our students to make them job ready. Now, this is exactly why Arena alumni are always in demand by the top companies, and we make sure that our practical and well-researched approach of training makes you a job-ready professional in the market. A pioneer in the media and entertainment training, we started our first center way back in 1996. We today are a 23-year-old institute, and at Arena, we have a reputation for always looking forward. With a presence in about 20 odd countries and having trained about millions of students, we at Arena Animation have always been a pioneer in the art, design, and animation space. All our work is thoroughly researched, and there is umpteen number of practical and theory sessions for our students to make them job ready. Arena has been in the forefront in helping the students build new age creative careers in the field of animation, VFX, web and graphics, augmented reality, virtual reality, and of course in the field of gaming.
So we learned some information related to Arena animation. Now, next thing we'll go through is the mentorship programs. Rahul Dravid is our brand ambassador. So let us hear from him.
At Arena, you get employment-driven education. Our primary objective is to prepare you for jobs and exciting career opportunities. We're constantly tracking trending jobs in the industry and recommending you courses that will ensure that you have the skills for these jobs. Our placement cell ensures that by the time you've successfully completed your course, the biggest companies are looking to hire skilled professionals like you right away. And you know what? The requirement for skilled professionals in this industry is absolutely spectacular. And at Arena, you get to choose your area of specialization from some amazing options. Animation, visual effects, gaming, web design, graphic design, UI UX, broadcast, and digital advertising design. And when we prepare you for your creative future, we give you the best possible resources to help you succeed. Take for example Online Varsity, an online platform with access to books and tutorials to help you study anytime, anywhere. Arena organizes various industry workshops so that you get to see the industry from close quarters and ensures that you meet the experts. We also organize events like Orbit Live, Kalakari, Perspectives, Creative Minds, and Creative Adda. And when you're ready with all the skills, we give you a platform to showcase it to the rest of the world. With us, you get to manage your creative portfolio on our platform, CreoSouls. Excited for your creative future? Here's how it's going to look like.
So let us now look at digital agencies.
Welcome to the world of advertising. Come along. Check out the design department, where visual communication and marketing materials are created. Do you notice appealing visuals of brand logos and campaigns? They are created right here. Our next stop is the web design team. They, along with the UI UX team, create engaging websites and web pages for the clients. At last, but far from the least, here's the video production department. This is where innovative videos using the latest tools and softwares are created. Visualize yourself to be working in such creatively driven workspaces? You have arrived at the right place. So, what are you waiting for? Join Arena Animation and discover your creative future. You're about to embark on a fulfilling and exciting journey. And as your mentor, I wish you all the very best.
So let us now look at VR Studio.
You have seen AR, VR videos, right? Aren't they beyond amazing? Imagine the amount of work and skills put to make it look so real and stimulating. Check out these artists working with 360-degree camera rigs, VR and AR devices. Sounds difficult? But with Arena, you can easily become a pro in all these tools and more. So, what are you waiting for? Join Arena Animation and discover your creative future. You're about to embark on a fulfilling and exciting journey. And as your mentor, I wish you all the very best.
Now look at a movie studio.
So this is how a typical movie studio looks like. With growing usage of VFX in movies, career scope in this field is immense. Can you see this green screen shoot scene that is being worked on here? This is where magic will happen. After the artist has finished working on this, the screen will look completely different and as real and amazing as it could be. Fascinating, isn't it? After getting trained at Arena, you too would be able to work on projects like this. So, what are you waiting for?
So this was all about mentorship. Now let us look at all of the things. This Arena, all of the things. If I click over here.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज़ मयूर बोरसे। 5 साल पहले मैंने एनिमेशन फील्ड में जॉब करना स्टार्ट किया। अरेना ने स्टार्टिंग में मुझे डिजी कैप्शन में अपॉइंट किया। डिजी कैप्शन स्टूडियो में मैंने अभी तक स्पंजबॉब स्क्वायर पैंट और सैन एंड्रियस, फिर ऐसे मूवीज़ में 3D डेप्थ आर्टिस्ट करके काम किया है। उसके बाद मैंने मुंबई में मारुति सुजुकी के लिए न्यूज़पेपर एडवर्टाइज ग्राफिक फील्ड में जाके मैंने न्यूज़पेपर के लिए एडवर्टाइजमेंट किया। देन उसके बाद मैंने फिर से जॉब स्विच करके अभी मैं टेक एज अ टेक सॉल्यूशन में एज अ मोशन ग्राफिक्स आर्टिस्ट काम करता हूँ। वहाँ पे मैं सनफार्मा, एडोब और ऐसे ग्लेनमार्क ऐसे कंपनीज के लिए मैंने अभी तक मोशन ग्राफिक्स के लिए काम किया है। और मेरा सिर्फ एक ही कहना है जो भी आगे सीख रहे हैं एनिमेशन उनके लिए कि आप अपना काम अच्छे से करो, आपको अच्छा जॉब मिलेगा। और जो भी काम करोगे वो सोचो कि आपका पोर्टफोलियो कैसे इम्प्रूव होगा। बस, थैंक यू।
गैलेक्सी ऑफ स्टार्स को देखना है, तो हम दूसरे आर्टिस्ट को देखेंगे, जैसे ये तानाजी में काम कर चुके हैं।
हाय, मेरा नाम सौरभ कदम है। मैं एक फाइन आर्टिस्ट हूँ। और now I am working in NY VFX वाला company as a concept designer and storyboard artist and doing some matte paints also. पहले मैं हैंड वर्क करता था, तो 8-9 साल पहले मुझे ये रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मुझे ये डिजिटली कन्वर्ट करना चाहिए। तो इसके रिगार्डिंग मैंने एरिना में सॉफ्टवेयर कोर्सेस सीखा, वहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस किया, और जो सॉफ्टवेयर में सीखा हूँ अभी भी डेवलप कर रहा हूँ, तो वो मुझे अभी के लिए बहुत हेल्प कर रहे हैं। मेरा 8 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है और मैंने अभी तक बॉलीवुड पे काम किया है, बहुत सारे मूवीज़ पे। करंटली आई एम वर्किंग ऑन अपकमिंग मूवी तानाजी द अनसंग वॉरियर एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट डिज़ाइनर। इसमें मैंने प्री प्रोडक्शन में काम किया है, जैसे कॉन्सेप्ट डेवलप करना होता है, लोकेशन डिस्क्राइब करना होता है, ये सब चीज़ें हम लोग करते हैं वहाँ पे। ये जो शूट कॉन्सेप्ट होता है उस पर भी काम करता हूँ। टोटल धमाल, सिम्बा, ऐसे बहुत सारे मूवीज़ जो हाल ही में अभी रिलीज़ हुए हैं, जिसका पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन और VFX NY VFX वाला कंपनी में हुआ था। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच नवीन पॉल सर, प्रसाद सुतार सर एंड नीलेश जोगदान सर, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी देने के लिए NY में। मैं स्टूडेंट को इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि अपना ऑब्जर्वेशन बढ़ाइए, चीज़ें हमेशा दिखाई पड़ती है तो उन्हें ऑब्जर्व करना सीखिए, देखना सीखिए, क्योंकि VFX इंडस्ट्री में काम करना है तो ऑब्जर्वेशन यही सबसे बढ़िया टूल है, तो इसे डेवलप कीजिए एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। थैंक यू।
ये हम देख रहे थे VFX वाला में स्टेप कदम जो अरीना से सीख करके आज इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं। इसी तरह से हम कुछ और बच्चों के रिव्यूज देख सकते हैं। इसी प्रकार के रिव्यू।
हाय, मेरा नाम सौरभ कदम है, मैं एक फाइन आर्टिस्ट हूँ और नाउ आई एम वर्किंग इन NY।
Hi, my name is Jaideep and I completed my animation course in 2013. I started working with a small industry and now I'm working for ABP News as a trainer of editor. I teach new agents how to do the editing stuff, and it is known as Promo Box. And I love the way Arena Animation teach new things to the new students, and they learn a lot of things in Arena Animation. And in the actual world, like whatever you learn in the school or whatever you learn in the tuition, it never worked. But yeah, whatever you learn in Arena Animation, it helps you to build your future. I just want to give one message to the students that never go for a donkey work. Always try to do a smart work, which will help you to grow your future faster and you will learn new things. Thank you so much and best of luck.
This was Jaideep. And now let us speak and hear.
Hi, this is मयूर भालेराव। मैं 2017 का बैच का अरीना एनिमेशन का स्टूडेंट हूँ। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मैं अरीना एनिमेशन का एक इंडिविजुअल पार्ट हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत से ऐसे स्टूडियोज़ रहते हैं कि जहाँ पे प्रॉपर नॉलेज मिलता नहीं, लेकिन यहाँ पे ऐसा हुआ नहीं मेरे साथ। मुझे प्रॉपर एनिमेशन या VFX का प्रॉपर यहाँ पे नॉलेज मिला। अभी मैं करंटली NY VFX वाला स्टूडियो में जॉब कर रहा हूँ। यहाँ पे मैंने टोटल धमाल, दे दे प्यार दे, जंगली, कलंक, इस सारे मूवी में बहुत अच्छे से काम किया। उसमें अच्छे से सीखने को मिला और अच्छा मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप हुआ। उसमें प्रोजेक्ट डेडलाइंस की वजह से मुझे उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा काम करने का मौका मिला और इसी प्रकार मेरा नॉलेज भी ग्रोथ हो गई और मैं भी उसमें ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व होने लगा। अभी जो स्टूडेंट इस फील्ड में पढ़ रहे हैं ना, तो उनके लिए एक मैं मैसेज देना चाहूँगा कि आप हार्डवर्क और पेशेंस के साथ काम रखिए। हार्डवर्क और पेशेंस से आपका क्या होगा, अच्छे से बिल्डअप होगा और आप आगे जाके आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी। तो सब सीखिए, सब सॉफ्टवेयर अच्छे से अर्न कीजिए, यूट्यूब से कुछ ऐसे शॉर्ट्स लीजिए, उसमें काम कीजिए, कॉपी कीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, क्योंकि कॉपी करने के बाद भी आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये काम कैसे हुआ है। ऐसे आपका फ्यूचर अच्छे से ब्राइट होगा और आपको सबको ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर नेक्स्ट ब्राइट फ्यूचर। थैंक यू सो मच।
This was Mayur Bhalera. And let us speak to.
Hello, I am Shreshi Jain. I have completed the course of Graphic Designing and Web Development from Arena Animation, and I would like to thank Arena Animation for the great success and career in my life at PwC. And I would like to thank the placement cell who has given me an opportunity for the job. And I would also thank the faculty members and the staff members who have repeatedly supported us for the career. Without them, we would not be where we are today. And I would also say that if you want to break out as a graphic designer, you should absolutely be an Aranite. Thank you.
So we have seen some of the people. Let us again.
Who would have
hear
thought
from
that
Rahul.
cricket can benefit from creativity? The helicopter shot, the dill scoop, reverse sweep, reverse scoop, uppercut, these wouldn't have existed if batsmen weren't creative. If creativity can transform the game of cricket, imagine what it can do to your career. If you have a flair for creativity, you can shine outside conventional careers. You can build a creative future. Today, the media and entertainment sector is one of the fastest growing industries in India. And such a rapidly growing industry requires thousands of skilled professionals. There's an exciting and vast range of creative career opportunities out there. From animation to VFX, gaming to VFX filmmaking, broadcast to digital marketing and web designing, and augmented reality and virtual reality. And Arena Animation has been imparting world-class education in these domains for over 2 decades. So if you're considering career in creativity, you're at the right place. Arena trains students in in-demand skills through a certified faculty, a comprehensive curriculum, and the most cutting-edge softwares. It also helps them find jobs in major studios across India and overseas. And that's great news for you. After completing a course from Arena, you can become an animator, VFX artist, mobile game developer, 2D, 3D rigging artist, broadcaster designer, 3D motion graphics artist, CG modeler, UI UX designer, graphic designer, and much more. A few years ago, creative careers weren't as big as they are today, but creativity has changed the game for good. So friends, it's not the time to shy away from your talents. It's time to discover your creative future.
So Rahul Dravid's message is also very clear that let us strive for creative future. So this is what I wish to say. Let us take an end to this session and utilize these opportunities for the betterment of your future. Thank you.